Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of disabled accounts on the application of Chase. We go to settings, then this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will go to Chase app. Here in this page we go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about Chase app. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.